Good morning. In this video, I'll discuss about difference GMM using R Studio. Before going through this video, I request you all to go through existing videos on dynamic panel data available in this playlist. So let's start. I have the data set of democracy income 25, which is used by famous authors, and the author is Akemoglu et al. This work has been published in 2008 in American Economic Review Journal. So in this study, basically democracy has been used as dependent variable and income has been used as independent variable. Now, how to run difference GMM in R Studio? For this, we require PLM package. I have already installed PLM package. So simply I write library and PLM to load it in this R Studio. Now, PLM package has been loaded in R Studio. Second step talks about the command to run difference GMM. So simply, what is command? Command is like I'm going to save this command in model 1 by writing pgmm. It means this says panel generalized methods of moments, then democracy. This democracy is dependent variable tilde lag democracy. This lag democracy is nothing but lag 1 of democracy itself. As you know, in dynamic panel, the lag of dependent variable is treated as independent variable. That's why it has been used as independent variable in lag 1. Similarly, lag income, which is our independent variable, and the major thing in this command is this vertical bar. After vertical bar, whatever I write here, that will be treated as instrument, or you can say instrumental variable. So I write here lag democracy and 2:99. Here 2:99 means I'm going to use democracy as instrumental variable from lag 2 to 99. Then democracy income 25, which is our data set name, and index equal to C, country year, because these are mentioned here in present data set. Similarly, model equal to 2 steps, because we are going to run 2-step difference GMM, and then effect equal to 2 ways, because we are assuming that there is time effect as well as individual effect. So summary model 1 and then enter. This is our result derived from command. So n is 25, t is 7, and the total observations are 175. Now, when you talk about this result, it says that lag 1 of democracy is significant, meaning lag 1 of democracy affects the present democracy. Similarly, lag income is insignificant because its p-value is greater than 5%, and we say that lag income does not affect democracy. When you go through majority of the studies, you find in that the lag of dependent variable should be significant in difference GMM, and the same thing is found here. So it's good. Let's talk about another test which is available in this output, and that is in form of Sargan test. So Sargan test is basically tests the validity of instruments. Here, what is our null hypothesis? Null hypothesis is instruments are valid. The better p-value is preferred in this case. The p-value is greater than 0.05. It means null hypothesis is not rejected, and we say that instruments which have been used in present dataset are sufficient and it's okay. Similarly, when you talk about another test, this is in form of autocorrelation test 1. So this autocorrelation test 1 is nothing but testing the autocorrelation in error term at lag 1 or order 1. What is null hypothesis? Null hypothesis is there is no autocorrelation in error term at order 1. So null hypothesis is rejected here because p-value is less than 5%. Similarly, when you talk about autocorrelation test 2, which is nothing but autocorrelation at order 2 or lag 2, the same null hypothesis is here that there is no autocorrelation in error term at order 2 or lag 2. So in this case, we found that p-value is greater than 5%, and we say that there is no autocorrelation in lag 2. So that is all about difference GMM. In next video, I'll discuss about use of collapse and other modification. Thank you very much.